Thank you guys so much for coming back and joining us and watching another tutorial. Today we have an African tray mold that I am going to show you guys how I created this one. I just used 3 colors. It's going to be red, black, and green. The main thing for this mold is because it is upside down, you just have to make sure that when you're pouring that you keep in mind whatever you pour on the mold at the bottom, it's what's going to show on the opposite end once we demold it. So what I'm doing now is I'm just trying to decide where I want the colors to go and like what creases of the Africa patch that I want the colors to go into. And I am also trying to make sure that I at least fill out the mold with the colors that I have. This tray mold is kind of deep, and so I didn't mix enough resin for this one specifically. So I just wanted to make sure that I at least covered the bottom. Whenever you run into this problem, it's no worries. Like, don't feel like you have to mix more colors because that can actually ruin your project. So what you can do is just fill the mold out at the bottom. Once it's semi-cured, you can go ahead and do a clear coat of resin on top if you want to fill out the mold. And also if you want to add handles too, you can do that at that time as well. I didn't actually add handles to this piece, but just if you wanted to. So that's it for the most part. This one is a pretty easy one to do. I love this mold. I do wish that it wasn't flipped upside down, but nonetheless, I love it. I love how big it is. I love how it actually turned out. I did end up putting vinyl on the finished product afterwards. And so after I put the vinyl on, you can seal it with another clear coat of resin to seal the vinyl. Not very necessary. The resin that I'm using here is just going to be Be Resin as always. I will leave a link for that and also a coupon code for you guys to use. But yeah, right here I'm just using a little bit about the materials that I'm using. I'm just using powder pigments, and I got it from like Amazon, just like a package of powder pigments that I mixed. And so that's just the red, black, and green powder pigments. I think for black, I did also put alcohol inks, a couple drops of alcohol inks from Michael's, and to make it darker. But besides that, that's all I did for this project. Let me know, guys, if you love this mold, if you have it, what other designs have you done with it? And if you haven't, go ahead and try. I bought this one from Be Resin. You can pick it up from there as well. Let me know what other designs you would like to see in this mold. Thanks, guys. I'll let you enjoy the rest of the pour, and then here comes the demolding video.